Hi there, welcome to this Elkchemist kitchen chemistry video. Now you may be wondering, why am I staring at the blinds in my kitchen? It's because I accidentally broke the plastic rod that controls the blinds. Now to any normal person this would be a mild irritation, but to me as a scientist this is the ideal opportunity to do a kitchen experiment. Let's get started. Okay, so the actual experiment itself is incredibly straightforward. Take the plastic rod and also get a rough piece of cloth. Now rub the plastic rod through the piece of cloth. What we're doing here is we're building up a static electrical charge. We're depositing negatively charged electrons onto the plastic rod, building up a negative charge across its surface. Okay, so check out what happens when I bring the negatively charged plastic rod near to the stream of water. Whoa, do you see that? It's diverting the path of the water quite dramatically. I wonder why that is. What's going on is the water molecules are actually being physically attracted towards the negative charge of our plastic rod. It's because water molecules are defined as being polar. There's a large difference in electronegativity between the oxygen atoms and the hydrogen atoms that make up the water molecules. That creates what is known as a dipole. Because water molecules are angular or bent and not symmetrical in nature, it means that there's always a small negative charge at one end of the molecule and small positive charges at the other end of the molecule, specifically the hydrogen end of the molecule. So what's going on here is the hydrogen atoms in the water molecules are being drawn towards the negative charge of this plastic rod, and it causes the stream of water to be pulled in one direction because water molecules have a sense of cohesion to them. It's how water molecules move up inside plants' xylems. They attract each other as well. So all the water molecules are being pulled towards the plastic rod because of that cohesion and the attraction of the delta positive hydrogens towards the negative charge of the plastic rod itself. What an amazing experiment. So, armed with this knowledge, I think there are two options available to you. You can either show this experiment to your friends and tell them what's going on, showing off that knowledge, or you can pretend you're a Jedi and that you have force powers, and that is what's diverting the path of the water. Of the two, I know which one I would choose. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Take care. Bye now.